This 5-minute bar workout will engage and strengthen your thighs and glutes. In just 5 minutes a day, 5 days a week, you'll sculpt your way to a stronger, more stable lower body. Let's get started.
All you'll need today is a chair, or maybe even a countertop if you don't have a chair available. And we're going to begin with 2 fingers on that surface. We want to make sure we're not gripping. We're simply pressing those 2 fingers to help us tactile and stabilize. I'm going to have you bring your feet to a parallel position, and we're going to work first some lifts to the side. Something I want you to focus on here is engaging the glutes, stabilizing the hips, so as we lift, we don't sink into the hip here. Instead, we're finding that nice, tall, pretty posture, little tuck of the pubic bone to hold as we move. Going for those pulses here. You can take one hand on the hip and take 2 fingertips to your surface, your chair or your countertop. Find that nice, tall, pretty posture. We're gonna shift the weight slightly to the supporting leg, and I'm gonna flex the other outside foot and begin to lift and lower. Finding a little squeeze at the top. Stabilizing with your abdominals, holding that nice, tall, pretty posture. Squeezing at the top. Make sure the toes and knees are facing forward so that you're rotated in a parallel position. Find a few more lifts. Then hold here at the top and take this into tiny, tiny pulses. Tiny pulse. Lifting an inch and lowering an inch. Keeping it at the top. Working hard in that supporting leg to keep from dipping into that hip. Keep pulsing, reaching through the heel. Check in with the shoulders, check in with those abdominals, and keep breathing. Now point the toe, keep it lifted. Take little circles for 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Take it forward. 4, 3, 2, 1. Reverse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hold here and bring it in. Reach it out. In and out. In and out. Keep going. Find that squeeze at the top. For 4, 3, 2, and 1. Lower it down and let's take it to the other side. Working the other side, start with those feet in a parallel position, fingertips on that surface, shifting that weight to your supporting leg. Keep the glutes engaged. Find that tall, pretty posture and begin. Lift and lower. Find that squeeze. Keep lifting. Focusing on your breath. Think about those abdominals, belly button to the spine, and start your pulses here. Pulse, reaching away through the heel. Keep the foot flexed and in a parallel position. Should feel a little burn on those hips by now, on those outer thighs. Keep going. Keep breathing. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Point the toes and circle forward. 1, circle 2, circle 3, and 4. Reverse. 4, 3, 2, 1. Circle forward for 4, 3, 2, 1, and reverse for 4, 3, 2, 1, and lift and lower. 8, 7, lift 6, reach away through the heel. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Bring it down. Now we're going to walk here in front of your bar, your chair, your surface, whatever that is. We're going to take it nice and wide. Keep those legs parallel. We're going to take it to a little squat. Keep the chest lifted and lift the leg. Little squat and lift. Alternate. Keep that chest lifted. Booty goes back. Find a lift. Press. Keep going. Reaching away through the heel. Keep breathing. You got it. These don't have to be big and deep. Just find that booty going back, bending in the knees. Knees should always track the center of the feet here. Keep going. Lift. Find that reach through the heel. You should be sweating it up now. Keep going. Check in with those shoulders. Make sure they're not creeping up on you and getting tension there. And lift. 3, 2, 1. Hold it here and take this to a little squat and tuck. Squat and tuck. Your booty goes back and tuck. Back and tuck. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last set. Squat and lift. Find that squeeze at the top. Keep going. 4, 3, 2, 1. Bring it down. Shake it out. Nice job. Thanks for joining me. I'll see you next time.
Subscribe to our channel for a new weekly 5-minute session you can do every day to target problem areas. Or you can combine all the sessions for a full body workout.